My name is Tai Hyun Park from the School of Chemical and Biological Engineering, Seoul National University, Korea. The title of my presentation is Bioelectronic Nodes, the integration of biotechnology and nanotechnology. As you know, we have 5 senses. They are the sense of smell, sense of taste, sense of sight, hearing, and touch. Among these 5 senses, 3 of these are physical senses, while 2 of these are chemical senses. In the case of physical senses, we have some devices for these senses. For example, camera or video camera can catch the sight which we see, and the audio recorder can catch the sound which we hear, and tablet PC can feel our touch. However, in the case of chemical senses, we do not have any device which can smell or which can taste. Then how can we develop the device which can smell or which can taste? Let's look at our olfactory system, smell sensing system. When we inhale the smell molecules enter into our nasal cavity and it binds with the olfactory receptor. Then we can sensing the smell using this our olfactory system. So by mimicking our olfactory system and using our human olfactory receptor, we can develop the bioelectronic nodes. So in this movie, this student is smelling the flower, and we can use the olfactory receptor gene for the expression of olfactory receptor protein. This red gene is the olfactory receptor gene, and this gene is inserted into the plasmid, and then this recombinant plasmid is introduced into the cell. Using this olfactory receptor gene information, we can express the olfactory receptor protein on the surface of the cell. The nano-sized vesicle will be formed out of the cell surface. Then it is combined with the nanotube, and there is an electrical current flow along the nanotube. If the smell molecule binds with the receptor, then signal transduction occurs and ion channels will be open, and finally this cation in the solution enters into the nanovesicle, and the accumulation of this ion will make the change in the electrical current flow. So by measuring the electrical current flow change, we can detect the smell. So this is the mechanism of our bioelectronic nodes. So these bioelectronic nodes can be used for various applications. It can be used for the standardization of smell, can be used for the smell industry, can be used for the disease diagnosis and monitoring of food freshness, environment monitoring by smell sensing, process monitoring by smell sensing. We can detect the explosive or toxicant, and we can prevent the drug smuggling, and it can be also used for the security system. Thank you for your attention.